Hi and welcome to Johnson's Kitchen. I'm Lily. And I'm Audrey. And we're making pineapple cream cheese dip.
Great. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great.
So what you're gonna need is 8 ounces of cream cheese, 3 chives, 4 ounces of pineapple, and a 1/4 cup of walnuts. So since we're in quarantine, we only have about half of what we need. So if you have more than 3 people, we suggest you double what we have. So now you're gonna add your cream cheese to your bowl. And whip it on up. Woo. Get up a little bit higher. So now you're gonna put 4 ounces of pineapple in your bowl and whip it up. Mix it on up. Don't know if that's 4 ounces yet. Seems good. Seems good. So now you're gonna chop your chives, add them to the bowl, and whip it up. And lastly, you're gonna add your walnuts into your bowl and whip it up. And you're set. So now your dip is done. We usually eat it with wheat thins. We suggest you eat it with wheat thins, but we only have Fritos since we're in quarantine, so we will be eating it with Fritos. Now we're gonna make Bridget's famous sausage dip. So what you're gonna need is sausage, a can of Rotel, or just diced tomatoes and green chilies, and cream cheese, 8 ounces. Also for the sausage, we're using sage sausage because they don't have normal sausage at the store, but you can use any flavor of sausage you'd like. Or you can use chicken or turkey. Sausage, that is sausage. Anything you want to substitute, but pork is what we use. So first you're gonna put your sausage in the pan and you're gonna mix it up until it's fully cooked. After that, you're gonna add the cream cheese into the pan on top of the sausage and mix it up until it's all melted and incorporated into the sausage. Then once that's done, you're going to add your Rotel and mix that up until it's fully incorporated. Then you're gonna wait about 2 minutes and then you're gonna eat it all up. So this is Bridget's famous sausage dip and this is Teresa's famous pineapple cream cheese dip. So Teresa's cream cheese dip is super good with any cracker, but the best is wheat thins. We're not sure why, but it's definitely the #1. And then Bridget's famous sausage dip is good with Doritos, Fritos, any corn chip that you have will do. And these are amazing for snacking, hanging with friends, even just a solo Netflix trip to the couch. Whatever you're doing. Thanks for watching Johnson's Kitchen. We hope you really like these recipes. Let us know what you want us to make next down below. Our Instagram is also linked down below, so give us a follow and stay safe out there.